Hello and welcome to our hands-on tech guide. If you're dealing with a stubborn TV issue, you're in the right place. Today we'll break down how to fix JVC TV black screen in old models. If your JVC TV has suddenly developed a black screen, it can be frustrating. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through straightforward steps to get back to your favorite shows. Step 1. Check connections. The first step in how to fix JVC TV black screen in old models is to double check all your connections. Make sure the power cable is securely plugged into both the TV and the wall outlet, and ensure your HDMI or AV cables are properly connected to both the TV and any external devices such as set-top boxes or gaming consoles. Sometimes a loose or faulty cable is the culprit behind the black screen. If needed, try replacing the cables to rule out connection issues. Step 2. Perform a power reset. Next, it's time to perform a simple power reset. Unplug the TV from the electrical outlet and wait about 30 seconds to a minute. This allows for any residual power to drain from the TV, potentially resolving minor glitches. After waiting, plug the TV back into the outlet and power it on. This basic trick often resolves a black screen by resetting internal components. After waiting, plug the TV back into the outlet and power it on. This basic trick often resolves a black screen by resetting internal components. Step 3. Check remote settings. Sometimes a JVC black screen can be caused by incorrect settings from the remote control. Ensure that the TV input setting matches the input connected to your media device. Press the input or source button on your remote and toggle to the correct option. Additionally, double check the brightness, contrast, and picture settings to ensure they haven't been accidentally altered. Step 4. Inspect for backlight issues. On older models, a common issue leading to a black screen is a problem with the TV's backlight. To test this, turn on the TV in a dark room and shine a flashlight at the screen. If you can faintly see an image, the backlight may need replacement. This task often requires professional service, so consider contacting a technician if you suspect the backlight is the issue. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. If other methods haven't worked, performing a factory reset might resolve the issue. To do this, locate the menu button on your remote and navigate to the Settings or System section. From there, look for a factory reset option. Note that this will restore the TV to its original settings and erase any custom configurations, so use this step as a last resort. Step 6. Consult the manual or contact support. If the How to Fix JVC TV Black Screen in Old Models steps provided haven't worked, consider consulting your TV's user manual for model-specific troubleshooting tips. You can also contact JVC support for assistance. They may offer additional solutions tailored to older models or suggest service options if repair is necessary. We know how essential a fully functional TV is to everyday life, and we hope this guide helped you learn how to fix JVC TV black screen in old models. Whether it's reconnecting cables, resetting the power, or inspecting internal issues, each step brings you closer to a clear screen. Always prioritize your safety, and when in doubt, reach out to professional services. Thanks for watching, and we wish you many more hours of uninterrupted viewing.